Hi everyone, in this tutorial I will show you how we can convert PDF document to Word. I have this Word document, it's my thesis. If you look at it, it's a PDF. Okay, you see it's a PDF. Now I want to convert this one. That is the file, PDF file. Just open Microsoft Word. Okay, that is Word. Just minimize to half of the screen. Okay, you can drag it. Then that's my PDF file. Just click it and drag it to Word document. You have to wait. Okay, now we have a Word version of our PDF. Okay, you see, you can change it, and for example, I want to change name here. You can change it. I think that's all. Have a nice time.